I want to show you this new lipstick that came in the mail for me from Clarins through Octoly website. And it is a Velvet Lip Perfector, and this is #1, and I believe it's called Velvet Nude. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute that is. Now I'll show you a tester, a swatch. So it comes out there. There you go. And that's the color. Isn't that pretty? I picked the nude because I love nudes. Even though I do love color, I love a good nude. I'm always thinking that this is going to be it. I'm going to find the perfect nude. And I tell you, I think this one is really good. Let's see. It's cares for your skin, plant enriched lip hydration, ultra weight creamy texture, extreme comfort, velvety matte color, blur effect, and smooth lips. Ooh, that is great. So that blurs. That's a good color, right? I'll put it on for you. It feels very creamy, very moisturizing, very velvety. It looks like a great, I would say pinky nude. It is smooth, very smooth. And I would put maybe a lip liner with it. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a lip liner and show you what it looks like with that. Okay, I found the perfect pencil. It's called Nude Beige by NYX. Okay, so if I put that here and then put the lip matte here, perfect family. So now I have the lip product on, I'm going to do a little lip liner. It is a perfect match. So thank you, Clarins, and thank you, Octoly.
Gifting me.
And if you want to check out this product, I'll put the link down below. Okay, let's continue with the video. Look at my phone cover. Is that not the cutest? This is like the giant phones we used in the, I think it was the 90s. Is that adorable? Anyway, everyone stops me about this. This spins around. These don't work, but it has the push there, and the push buttons, and it's got little stars. It's got the opening for the camera. What's great about it is you could lay your phone sideways when you're at the table, or straight like this, and it stays up. Okay, I have one more special thing that was sent to me that it's just so stunning. And if you get this, this is how it comes. You get this yellow shopping bag, and inside it you get this beautiful makeup case. And inside that you get two products. You get D'Alba First Spray Serum. Now, this is the first serum that has ever come in a spray. And let me show you them. You see the oil up there? Well, this has to be shook, and then it turns into this. Is that beautiful? It's so beautiful. I love it. I used it today, and let me just tell you what they say. This is the glowing set. It's only available on Amazon de Alba Piedmont. And it will come with free samples, makeup bag, and shopping bag. This antioxidant spray serum you can use anytime, anywhere, even on your makeup. That's what I did today. It will make your super glorious glow look. And the legendary anti-aging ingredients, the world's top 3 delicacies, the luxury food truffles. It is a mushroom that only grows under invisible ground and can only be harvested after a long wait of 7 to 10 years. It is called a diamond in the ground, and it costs hundreds of millions of pounds per gram. It is the world's best white truffle in Piedmont, Italy, and the black truffle in Périgord, southern France. Among them, the white truffle in the Italian Provence of Piedmont, Alba is rated as the best truffle. Pretty interesting. Hydration improvement immediately after application. 21 women test result observed immediate results. It has avocado oil and white truffle. It's a glow setting spray, provides you a luxurious glow. Spritz on your body or your hair. Spritz it right after you take a shower. It sets your makeup for a silky glow finish. It's non-irritating, dermatology tested, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and free of 19 harmful ingredients. This is the set that you would get if you're interested in de Alba Piedmont. I will put their link down below. This was gifted to me, and I thank you. So, here you go. Beautiful makeup case with 2 gorgeous products and this beautiful shopping bag. Thank you. So, that's my video for today. I just wanted to show you some new products that have come out. And I hope you have a great day, a beautiful week. Stay safe. And remember, I love you. Mwah.